While Blythe is getting that ready, I'm going to go ahead and remove front case here, which is kind of hard to do. I don't know why they make it so hard, but it's got a little thing here, and it holds it in right there, and it makes it rough to pop out. Right here, the little tabs, and it does lift this up. We still need to clean this section too. We're going to go ahead and remove 2 panels. I then got the front one off. This is the other one, and it pretty well pulls straight out just like so. So perfect time to go ahead and install a IO shield. Now make sure it faces the right way, because you can put them in upside down and you don't want to do that, but they just pop in and out. One of my biggest complaints is usually when you buy a used motherboard, it don't come with the IO shield, and that makes me sad. Let's just go ahead and pop everything in place just like so. There we go. So we got the IO shield in it. Let's just turn this around this way, guys, so we can build in it. And basically what we're going to do is go ahead and put a power supply in it, and hopefully it fits. The cool thing about this case is the power supply goes down, facing down just like so. And hopefully it fits. It does. I've been so sad if it didn't. And it goes on the standard way with 4 power supply screws. And you want to make sure your fan is put down. You don't want to, you can actually put your fan up, it will draw air from your case and blow it out, but I'm going to leave mine like this so it can feed up and exhaust out. A little bit more than that, just a tad.
Oh, it's big enough.
It's big enough. That's what she said. I mean, it truly is big enough, but just a little tad more. There we go. We're good. That's good enough. Easiest way I found to install your motherboard is basically just lay your case down. And all the standoffs is pre-installed, and it does got one that holds it in place if you want to stand it up and do it. But we ain't too worried about that. So now we got a board installed and it's setting up. We're going to do some cable management, make this look all nice. It does got a LED strip here. Figure out the RGB and all that stuff. We done got the AIO mounting hardware onto the AIO. AM3 Plus is a pretty simple socket. It just hooks right here. Let's go ahead and take this guy out. These is tight. I don't know why they're so tight. Just like so. And then this guy pulls, I'm pretty sure, straight out. Yeah, just like so. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just goes in there like so. First time building in this case, so let's get started on the cable management.
Yeah, that looks good from this side.
What now?
That looks perfect from this side.
That's good. What's this? F panel. That's front panel. So we are taking the hard drive cage loose right now so we can put a hard drive in it. Later on you can upgrade to SSDs. That's exactly what I plan on doing to this one. And use this PC mostly for, streaming PC. One that I can just, catch a video on and stuff and use as extra storage and stuff. Be a great little PC for that. It can be its own little catcher device. Good use for these older PCs. This is your intake side. This is the exhaust side right here. You can always tell by the little connectors on the back. Right here, the little hardware side. You can always tell how to be your exhaust on every fan I have ever seen before. So we are actually making this where it will pull air from the AIO into the case. That way the RGB will show. So we got the AIO mounted. I tried to mount it from below, but this Core Master style right here just does not have enough holes. you know, to let you mount it up and over. And with the graphics card in, it would not go, so this is the mount configuration. The radiator is higher than the pump, so it should do fine. You don't want the pump, you know, higher than the radiator, so it should do just fine. Shouldn't be too noisy. It don't sound like much air in this AIO, so should be maybe in a few years after, you know, it evaporates a little, might get a little noisy. But for what this computer's going to be used for, it'll be just fine. Sometimes you just can't mount them at the bottom, guys, with the hoses facing at the bottom. Just sometimes you can't. Now, next step, we're going to put a thermal paste on the CPU. And Bryce wants to do a P, I want to do an X. Let me know in the comment section what you prefer, but I'm going to do an X. Just because. Now we can do a little P right there, Bryce. Best of both worlds. Don't comment me. It works. It works. Now we're going to take a core master and put it down here, just like so. Get this mounted. Maybe we should plug that fan in before we do that, Bryce. Put these on. Got my side. So we got that done. Let's go ahead and clean up a little bit more and figure out what all else we got to do. That's nice that NZXT got these removable like this, because maybe you want to add a different graphics card and it's not as big, or different shielding. Very good. We got a place for 2 bolts. We're going to use the 2 bolts we removed to hold the graphics card. Do you remember, guys? We didn't have no bolts at all in the graphics card. So guys, this is what we got so far. Tons of cable management to do. It seems everything is working. I would like to get an adapter to make that fan controller LED work, but for now it's good enough. I got it working somewhat with the fan kit, whatever the button is. There's tons of cable management. I done got this semi-cable tied right now. Very nice cable management and all. So let's go ahead and put the back case on it. Boss, you want to do the honors? Making sure everything's nice. It fit, didn't it? Look at that, guys. First time trying it. Now, if you're building this in a new PC, start from scratch, always make sure your board posters before you put it in the case, because sometimes, you know, it's a pain in the ass if it don't. We done knew this computer works, so that's the reason we didn't do none of those steps. Okay, I do the honors, guys. Let's drop this down in here. There we go. Boss, you want to do the peel? The peel?
Peel?
Yeah, everything new you got.
No, we knew what's on it till we done it.
Till we get done with it? Okay, we do the peel once it's on the desk. Anyway, let's turn this on, guys. See what we got. Shit! I forgot to turn it on. Boom. Oh, she's loud a little. Little loud. But all in all, I gotta play with the RGB colors and stuff, which we will do in just a second. We're gonna make sure it posts, everything works on it. We got a screen set up over here. And this is not the permanent location of this PC. It's just where I can test it out. So, let's go ahead and do the peel on this. Everything seems to be working good. Temps are great. Damn, I wish that sticker came off with that. Gonna leave any residue? Nope. It's been nice if I had it on the static screen here. So this is the PC. I'm gonna actually leave it on for a few hours but it seems to be doing extremely good. So we should be able to overclock this now. I don't know what I got in store for it coming soon, but I'll probably do some more channel videos on this PC. Might upgrade the power supply, show you guys how to do that. Upgrade the GPU. I like to get the fans hooked up to the RGB controller. The plug's too big to go in for this cool master style. I think they make an adapter or something. I'll look into that here soon, because I have to manually adjust those and I can't do it from the software. The USB 3.0 up top, even though this board got 3.0, it's on the back. I do not have a motherboard placed for 3.0, so I'm going to try to find a 2.0 adapter into 3.0. But all in all, I'm very happy with it. If you've seen the first of this video, it's amazing that this computer turned out this good, and it's sitting right next to the PS5. So I found a good location to put this computer here in a couple days. I might go ahead and finish upgrading before I move it into its permanent home. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, and be sure to drop a like. It helps out more than you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.